Good morning, dear students. This is your science teacher, and today I'm going to teach you science. In last video of the science, we were continue with our 14th chapter, water. In last video, we discussed that what how water we get water from in the nature, and what is the role of water cycle, and the three different state are there of the water: solid, liquid, and gas. Ice is a solid, water is a liquid, vapor is a gas. Okay, and today we continue with the same chapter from the next topic. So, in this question, our first and very important question is that what is water? And when we talk about the water is when we talk about the water in nature, it is a precious and fundamental substance required to existence of life on earth. Means it is very essential, most essential substance. It is very precious and fundamental substance which exists, which is responsible for the existence of life on earth. Without water we cannot expect life on earth. Without water is a necessary. Okay, and water, we know that water is found naturally. It's found naturally in the nature and abundantly on the earth, our planet, abundantly on our planet. So, okay, about two-thirds of the total Earth surface is covered by water. We know that when we talk about the occurrence of the water on the Earth, suppose it is the Earth, and on the Earth surface from here to here spherically, two-third part of the Earth is covered by water in the form of sea, glaciers. Okay, okay, and water is a transparent. Yes, we know that it is a transparent substance. Odorless means it does not contain any smell or fragrance, and tasteless. When we try to taste the water, it doesn't have any type of taste. Okay, because it is made up of inorganic molecules like hydrogen and oxygen. So you know that what is the formula of water? H2O. Okay. So it is clear that what is water. Then come to the point of the uses of water. Yes, it is also very important. It is necessary to all also. And we know that we are using water in our daily life for the different household works. Okay, water is used for different purposes. Includes everyday household uses like drinking, cooking, for cleaning, and for washing, for bathing, for other domestic uses. And uh, in the form in the area, when we talk about the area or in the field of the agriculture, it is used for the irrigation of the crop. Okay, irrigating and cultivating the crop, and it is also required in industries. Okay, the water is required for many activities. Yes, we discussed that. So therefore it is the essential element and requirement for the continuity of life on the planet. Yes, it is essential for the continuity of life on earth. Without water we cannot expect life on the earth. Okay, is it clear? Let's come to the next point. Sources of water. Okay, it is a very important point. Sources of water. So we know that sources means the source means we get water from where. Okay, so we know that we have general answers like we are getting water from underground by the bore, and we are getting water from the ponds, lakes, sea, rivers. Okay, so different sources are there. So as mentioned above, two-third, yes, we already discussed that two-third part of earth covered by water, but unfortunately only small percentage of water, only the 2-3% of total water, only 2-3% of total water of the earth is suitable for the human use. Okay, only 2-3% of the total water that is suitable for our use. Okay, the 99.7% available are found in the ocean. Ocean, it's found in the nature, in the ocean or in the sea, in the form of salty water, and we cannot use direct this water, and some water is present in the form of groundwater and floating in the atmosphere in the form of moisture. Okay, in the form of moisture, it's float on the atmosphere, and in ice caps like glaciers on the pole of the earth. Okay, so this water is not safe, but these different types of water discussed, these are not safe and is unsuitable for human consumption except groundwater. Before some year we don't use groundwater. We are using surface water like fresh pond water, well water. In the wells groundwater is there. Okay, so we are using groundwater. So except groundwater in these sources are unsafe or unsuitable for human consumption, as it consists of, why? Because it consists excess salt, toxins and other impurities in the water, which can lead to illness or other health disorders. So we are not using this water for the drinking purpose. Okay, rivers, ponds, lakes and groundwater, these are the different source of water which can be used for drinking purpose. We are using this water for drinking purpose, cooking and other human uses. Okay, only after proper treatment like boiling, so there needs a simple treatment like boiling or by the filtering, we are using the water getting from these sources using directly. Okay, and when we talk about the origin of water, how water is originate, yes, it is a important question. So origination of water, so the water is find out to be form of a meteorite, and the major source of water for human use are lakes, rivers and ponds, and the chemical composition of water on the earth same as the sum of meteorites. Okay, so I think it is enough for today, and we will continue in next video with the same chapter, and from the next topic, uses of water, we are discussing in detail. So I hope you understand that what we discussed. If you have any doubts, so you can ask. Good luck.